some Barry White, Earth, Wind, and Fire, Gap Band. Let me see, man. What funky time? Let me see. Yeah, Bobby Brown. Let me see. Our daughter got hooked in him after he did the Arby's commercial. Man, I ain't even. Oh, the Love Doctor. Okay, that's what we gonna have. The love. Oh shit, Stone Vet down there, y'all. Look out, Stone Vet.
Hey, what's good, bro?
Nothing much. I went over here. Shit, bullshit.
Shit. Bro, you got me all riled up, man.
Oh, he riled up. Hey, y'all,
he riled up this morning.
Ooh, he riled up. He's riled up. We need some riled up music now.
Now,
y'all.
I'm so happy when you gave me that news, man.
Let's get her.
It felt like I went to war again, and then we came back, and we were actually like thanked for our service properly. Do you know what I mean? We went through the trenches, bro.
He didn't went back.
That was an emotional roller coaster. I put my name out there for you. I talked a lot of shit on your behalf and my behalf. It was our video.
And
it feels good to be rewarded. You know what I mean?
Yeah, here we go.
Cheers.
Yeah, Stone Vet mad than a bitch, y'all. He fucking mad. He tired of this shit. He just went to war. Oh man, he finna go to war, y'all. This that war music, yeah. Yeah, this that war. Ooh. Yeah.
You don't like me.
Stone Vet just went to war. Yeah.
Whatever you do, don't fucking copyright me.
Yeah.
Sorry,
don't copyright my bro. Pulling up if you do, he mad than a hoe. Came in the bitch, yeah, you know the Stone Vet. Always talking good, no disrespect. Hey, sitting on the side of the track. Got 2 phones, yeah, to be exact. With the camera out and the SD card. Man, Subaru going real damn far. Hey, ooh, he just lit another blunt. Talking all that shit, he about to get crunk. He don't want to hear nobody talking shit. Cause if you do, he might have to get thick. Yeah, you know he good with guns, bro. But we only trying to have fun, though. Hell yeah, he ain't playing by me, fool. Coming through, I'm about to get in the line and get food. Hey, Jessica, girl, where you at? I need a taco and some lumberjack. Put me some motherfucking onions there. And some motherfucking cilantro. Pull up at the track, man, you're better than a huncho.
Jesus.
Man, I be having fun, y'all.
Dude, what races happened while I was gone, man? I feel like I've been gone for a year.
Man, he been gone for a year. People smoking weed and they drinking the beer. Hey, he done missed all the good races. He was at all the motherfucking wrong places. I had to put the green sauce on it, dog. Put a little red sauce on it, y'all. Ooh, this shit too hot, dog. Other lady trying to sell a hot dog. I don't want that shit because it's nasty. I be eating nachos because I'm classy. Nah. Get a fish basket.
Oh, man.
Okay, Space Buddha J said his dog named Huncho. I ain't even had no fucking lunch, bro. Okay, nah, what you miss? You ain't really missed too many big races though.
I feel like there's been some tragedies that have happened in this sport. Limpy's in the hospital right now. They posted on Facebook the other night. People passing away, bro. It feels like everything's been happening.
Did just die. Oh
yeah, man, a street outlaw did.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I don't even think I made it that far in the show yet.
Yeah.
Honestly, I didn't know who the person was.
Yeah.
It was
you
ain't sad, man.
Yeah, man. People be dying. People been dying. I've been like, damn, I ain't ready to go.
In a weird, like, sick and twisted way, I think that's one of the reasons that attracted me to racing is because I realized early on how serious it was and the people that like to race, what they were risking. And it kind of reminded me of, like, I don't know, like my military time.
Yeah.
Like it's just it's a war, you know what I mean? And I don't know how to explain it, but it gave me a same kind of a vibe. Like the people that are serious about racing, the families that are in it, that's all they do. That's all they care about, and they do it for the love of the sport. And I don't know, I respect that. It felt like how I would answer questions when they're like, "Why'd you go fight overseas?" Well, you did it for your buddy next to you. Do you know what I mean? I get that same kind of vibe around racer crews and drivers specifically.
Yeah,
and that attracts me to this sport.
Oh, I see. I messed up right here.
Because it's the realest sport out there. No other sport do people risk life like that. Even in like UFC fighting and stuff, right?
Yeah,
because you don't hear about deaths that much, do you? And they're literally beating each other's brains in.
Yeah.
So I don't know. It costs so much money. There's almost no money in it to win. Like if you're going to compete, unless you're a NASCAR driver or something. Do you know what I mean? There's no money in street racing, really.
What you think about I'm bring a boxing ring to the track.
Yeah. I think Easton would have a boner the whole night, bro. I think you just set Easton up for
No, what's up? Put the gloves on. What's up with it?
Dream, man.
What's up with it? Yeah, like this.
I've heard Easton talk about that on so many different clips. We just need to have a fighting ring right out front.
We're gonna have it. Hey,
these gangsters, they'll pop a cap in you, but if you give them a place where they can just handle their business, they'll handle it like men.
Hi, guys. I'm Easton Wright, owner of Yello Belly, me and my sister. We're going to get this place back together, guys. Yeah, dude. We're going to get this place back together. Oh, what you did miss?
Yeah, what I missed, man? I know I missed something.
What you missed was Silent Killer event.
Yes, my first big rim event with somebody that I had like a connection to, because I knew you and him were buddies. So I was gonna meet and say hi and get to know somebody.
I'm finna see if I can find
that was the one I missed, because I wasn't even feeling bad that night. I was feeling fine, and I was like, man, I should have gone. But nah, I shouldn't have. I'd have gotten everybody contagious, man.
Damn, I don't even know what the hell.
His birthday party though, right? It was a birthday grudge bash.
I wonder where the hell is that race?
Damn, that's making it in the racing world. When you can have your birthday party be a promoted racing event, that's cool as shit, man. That's like goals.
Yeah, I like the way that background
music
cool. Playing back there now. I think I got it set just right. Ooh, got that bitch set. I could just start freestyling at any time.
Do it.
Ain't no telling what I might. Yeah, he said do it. Hold up. Yeah. Okay, hold up. Let me see. Can't record this, can't record that.